Good morning. It's a beautiful day again in Trinidad, in Las Cuevas. This is my second day in Las Cuevas. So today I'm gonna be going and check it out. Oh, look at outside. It's so beautiful out there. Sun is out. Look like a beautiful day. Today I'll be going to check out the fort, then the river. I wanted to check out the river, and also there's a hidden beach I wanted to go and see. So I'm gonna go grab some breakfast now, and I'll come back to you guys later. Peace. I almost forgot to show you guys how you eat the sugar apple. Okay, let me wash off the sugar apple and show you guys how you eat the sugar apple. All right, this is the sugar apple. You open it up like this. See, you burst out, you see all the seeds and stuff right in there. You see the seeds there? Okay, the white stuff. Now the way you eat it is you get the seeds, you take it out like this, and you suck it. You suck on it, but don't eat the seeds. When you guys spit the seeds out. You see the seed like that? Spit out the seed. It's delicious. That's how you eat a sugar apple. It's sweet. Grab my breakfast now, and I'll get back with you guys later. Breakfast is included in the stay, so that's a good deal. Wow, hey guys, look at this. This is a homemade breakfast. Wow. This is included in the room price, 60 US. Let me dive into this. Oh my goodness, big breakfast this morning, boy. Very good. So we got eggs, bread, sausage. Very good. There's a little river here, but this is not the river I'm looking for. The Las Cuevas River. This is not it. This is some little stream here along the way. That's too far from the lodge. Trying to find the Fort Abercromby. How could I get to this fort? Now I gotta go back up the other way. I noticed this little park here with bench, sit down and check it out a little bit. They have a little playground for the kids. All this is in Las Cuevas. It's cool, it's quiet around here. Pressing on. I wanted to check out the lookout. I'm gonna give you all the stairs you gotta walk up. This is the first level of the lookout. Still have more stairs there. And to go higher, I need some water when I get down from here. That's the beach. That's Las Cuevas beach. Right over there in the far. Oh, yeah, yeah. This is a Fort Abercrombby. This is a lookout. Climb up those stairs, go to the next level of the lookout. When I came the first time, I didn't come up the lookout. Just look around, take pictures. It was raining that day, so I didn't want it to really get sick, you know. So I took a few shots, myself and my sister. The one you see me going around with, hiking to the Bamboo Cathedral and other places. That's the one who, when I come down, we all hang out together, go hiking, we have fun. Today I'm doing a solo mission by myself. This is the very, very top of the lookout. Seems like it have more places that you could walk to, but I'm not going any further than right here. They used to have a bench here but broke. They need to fix the stuff back. Still have more of the trail you could walk and explore. Trying to walk my way down. See, those are the steps to go down. It's a little steep, but take your time. Hopefully be safe to go down there and come back. See, different rock formation here. Soaking wet, but I didn't give up. I succeeded, and I made it to the bottom. Check out this awesome view. This is in Las Cuevas at the Abercromby Fort. Fort. Have such a beautiful and amazing rock formations and view. Wow. Look like it have a cave there. Wow. This is awesome. Come on, people. Don't be litter in the beaches, man. Come on. Keep the environment clean. Oh, that's a cave. Definitely that's a cave. Over there is a cave. See the water rushing in there? That's a cave there. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. I wanted us to get some drone shots, but you know, it's kind of late. I don't want to be rushing anything. I have the drone up there. I don't want to be rushing anything. So this certainly is a beautiful attraction to come and see. Starting to rain a little bit now. Okay, let me make my way back up there. Oh, I finally find the secret beach. It's right by the health center. Walk down here and you're on a secret beach. It's a small beach. Wow, what a place. Woo. Beautiful.